Hey guys, Chris Wegener,
Heather Pitts,
along with Beno Ansley, the Graydon sales team.
We're here on site. We can't wait to show you all the progress the team has made, and the hard hat tour begins
now.
Wow, look how far we've come. I'm standing here in our Wesley North plan in this amazing kitchen. We have Wolf cooking. This is a Wolf gas cooktop. We have sub-zero refrigeration, sub-zero beverage coolers, huge island for entertaining with a waterfall edge. Sales aren't the only thing cooking here at Graydon. Chris, show us what you got.
Heather, I've got a 36-inch alfresco grill where you can rotisserie, sear, and smoke, and a hidden compartment for your wood chips. Back to you, Malibu.
Thanks, Chris. These are decked-in countertops and stainless steel powder-coated cabinets right off your main terrace off the kitchen. Check out these owner suite baths. These are growy fixtures, rain head, body spray, stationary, and curbless entries into your owner suite bath.
Check out the size of this Moore Plan terrace. It's as large as a bowling alley. So check out this owner's terrace and this beautiful Francois cast stone fireplace. I'm on one of 3 terraces here in the Wesley floor plan, and this is the owner's suite looking over the amenities deck. Thanks so much for joining us today as we checked out our 2-bedroom floor plans here at the Graydon.
Such an exciting time. Call us today to schedule your private tour.